and welcome to my video demo for the OOP 2025 Turtle Graphic Assignment. My name is Faryad Hamzehpour, and I'm a student at Leeds Beckett University. So, in this demo, I will be going through all the required features step by step, following this Google form checklist provided by my lecturer. I will show each command, explain my code, and demonstrate the output using the Turtle graphics window. I have developed this project by using Java programming language. I've used IntelliJ IDE, as you can see, and I have added the LBUGraphics.jar that's provided by the university to my build path. My full code is available on GitHub as well, so you can see my code even in the GitHub. So first of all, I will accept this one that I have to follow the instructions. I have to explain about my code and other kind of things. So yes, I will accept this. And after this, let's go and start requirement one. So requirement one, it's basic application, and have so which is about setting up the project and making sure the base application is working using LBU graphic. So we're gonna go through these questions. So first one says LBUGraphics.jar properly added to project. Show in your project. So this is project. These are the directories. So as you can see, LBUGraphics.jar has been added to my project, and I can prove that I have added like by following these instructions. I have done that before. So it's in the module section here and added here, as you can see. So yes, take that. Yes, I have added that. So second one is project contains main class.java sets of LBU graphic correctly by extending LBU graphics, or you have moved on and done this in graphic.java and you have made an object of this in main class.java. Show this in your project. So my main class is called main. So and you can see it right here in the project. It correctly extends the LBO graphics class as required by the by the assignment, and that's the code for the extending section. So you can see here, and here it is. So it has been added correctly, and this gives me access to all Turtle graphics methods like forward, left, pen down color, and many more methods that we're gonna follow them in the next requirements. So yes, I've done that as well. So, and the third one correctly called the about method and show you know about method, it says run the project and see that does it does your code show an OOP icon. So we can show that by running the program. So To make sure the animation shows immediately when the program starts, I call about. So as you can see here, this about called automatically, and here is the code for it. So this is the code. Even I have written down a note here so that I will remember what I have done. So as you can see, this about, it will show that. So even I have added extra things like turtle graphic by Faryad. Here it is. It will display this one when I run it. So yes, I've done that as well. And next one, it says main class.java has a main method which creates an object of turtlegraphic.java, and then all of our processing is done from the object. Show all of these in your project. So in this one, as you can see in my, now you can see in my IntelliJ, this is the main method, okay, that starts the program. It creates a new object of the main class, yeah, as you can see here, which triggers the constructor. So this sets up the GUI or graphic user interface window, loads the turtle canvas, and displays the animation. So I've done that as well. Hooray! So yes. Next one. So next one, the about method is called, and the OP animation appears when the user types OP to the field or clicks OK, show in your code and show the turtle animation in response to typing about. So simply asks you to write down about here, and the turtle should show this animation again that it writes down OOP. So we will use this command about, that's under the process command. So about, it will run about again. So I'm gonna clean the window, so clear, because I want to show you how I do it manually. So about, and either you type you enter OK here, or enter or the enter, or press the enter. It will do the same thing and it will run about. So doesn't matter. So OOB, as you can see here. So yes, we're gonna take that as yes as well, because it was successful without any errors. Requirement 2. In requirement 2, I will demonstrate the turtle graphic commands that I have implemented. These commands are typed directly into the LBUGraphics text field, and all of them are handled dynamically by my process command method. The program processes each command, validates it, and gives feedback or performs the turtle action immediately. And I'm gonna even follow these instructions. I will do not return my program between commands and other kind of things. So we're gonna test pen down to see the command is working or not. So pen down is here. So this is the code, this is the process command, and if you don't enter any command and press enter or OK, or click on OK, it will say no command entered. So it's an error message that I have put it there. So for pen down, even it will show the message says pen is now down or up, even. So we're gonna start pen down. this is the pen down. So I'm gonna clean here again, clear. Yes. So pen down, pen down. Yes, so pen is now down, as you can see. And the pen is active. So this one is working. And yes, because it's working. And this one says move command works. You can take this if it works without or with a parameter. Show your code and then show the turtle moving in response to the user typing move. If you can also input a parameter, take this and move on to the next question. Yes, so my move command works with parameters. So this is my move command here, as you can see. I will run it. Move 100, move 100. Yeah, so it moves. And even again, it proves that my pen down command is working. So I'll go to my Google Form now. Yes. And about reverse, it is still same. It asks you to prove that your reverse command is working. So it says if it works with parameters, just click on yes and go to move and move to the next one. So I will type reverse 100 and I'll prove that it will work as well. So reverse 100. Okay, so you see that it is working without any problem. It goes to the same place, and this is the reverse command. So as you can see here, and it works without any problem. And the turtle reverses back 100 pixels. So I've used the negative one because forward is negative and move is is plus. So I've proven that as well, as you can see. So it will work as well. So next one, it asks us for left command works. You can take this if it works without or with a parameter, show your code, tick, and move to the next section if you can input a parameter. So yes, it will work with parameters. So I'm gonna write down left 90 and then move 100. So I'm gonna show you the code now. Left with parameter, and after we're gonna use case move again. So left 90 degrees, it uses degree, yes, and move 100. Yes, it works perfectly. So yes, and now it asks for right command. It says you can tick this if it works without or with a parameter. Show your code, tick and move to the next question if you can input a parameter. So we're gonna go to this one and prove that it works with parameter. So this is my right command. It works. I think yeah. So we're gonna test it. So it asks for it asks for turn right 90. So 90 degrees. Turn right 90. Yes, and after that we're gonna move 100, so it have to come down 100. Yes, as you can see here, it works and it will move 100 pixels as well. So I'm gonna tick yes because it works. Now it says pen up command working, type pen up and then right 90 degree and move 100. If all is working with parameters, you see an N shape with the turtle on the bottom left and pointing left. So now I'm gonna try pen up, pen up. Okay, so it says pen is now up, and this is the code for pen up and for other parameters. So this is pen up, and it's you see it says pen is now up, and this pen is now up. No drawing, so it doesn't draw anything. And after that, it asks for right 90 degree, yes, and move 100. Yeah, yes, and move 100. Okay, so now whatever has been asked is working. So yes. So next one, it says at least 4 color commands such as red command working, show is working by tapping pen down, then red, then move 100. The cursor should move far left and draw a red line. Show all 4 of your colors showing your code. So first of all, let me show you the code. So this is my code for the colors. For first one, that is red, second one is green, blue, magenta. So I have put 4 colors for you. So now we're gonna try them. So it says we need it says okay, first is red. It's normally red, but I'm gonna show you the the normally and the alternative one is red, so I'm gonna change it to green. Yes, so green. Now it should be green, so we're gonna try it. Pen down, okay, pen down. Now the pen is down, and then move 100. Yeah, so it's green now. So I'm gonna show you other codes, other colors as well. So I'm gonna try blue and magenta. So blue, move 100. It is blue and magenta, sorry, magenta, and move 100. Yes, as you can see, I'm gonna try the red, that it was the alternative one. So red and move 100. That's it. So it works. Yes. And in this one, it asks us for the clear command will be showing your code and show it cleaning the display. The turtle should be on the far left of the clear display. So clear command is straight under the colors method. So case clear is changed, confirm clear. So as you can see here, I've used, so I'm gonna use it now, clear. So an error message will pop up. It says you haven't saved this picture. Do you want to continue? I don't need this picture, so clear anyway, yes. And to, as you can see, the turtle on the far left of clear display. Yeah, so it's on the far left of clear display, and it works perfectly. Yeah, it is. This is the turtle. So yes, and we're gonna try reset command. Working type right, then move also a line is drawn, then type reset, the turtle should return to the center and point down, showing the code. So I'm gonna, this is reset. Reset will reset everything. So I'm gonna reset everything, and then I'm gonna demonstrate it. So it asks for reset. So I'm gonna reset. Reset. So after that, sorry, no, type right. I'm gonna type right first. Right. So right. Then move. This is just mistake. Then move 100. So I have to do move 100. Right. Right, and I have to give a parameter. The parameter that I will give is right 180, so it will come back to other side and move 100. So it moves 100. After that, I'm gonna try the reset command. Reset, enter. So it has been you know, now the turtle is in the center, so, and it points down, so that's what they asked. And I'm gonna put yes because it works perfectly without any problem. So this is requirement 3, validating commands. So in this section, I will demonstrate how my program validates user input. This includes checking for invalid commands, missing parameters, and non-numeric values, and some other things. All validation is handled in my process command. So this is process command method and supported by custom helper functions. So as you can see here, these are some line of codes for it. So we're gonna go to the form. So the form is here, and this is the turtle. So report invalid command, type for access, and it should report that is an invalid command. Show in your code and show it detecting an invalid command. So I'm gonna do that for you. So I'm gonna type in x. So okay, it says unknown command, and this is a part of switch case in process command. So as you can see, this is process command, and this is if no noun command entered, it will show the error message called unknown command, and it will show what you have entered. and it falls to the default case and shows a clear message, and the message is this display message. So yes, I've done that. Yes. And the other one says detect valid command with missing parameter. Type move with no parameter. It should report that there is a missing parameter. Show in your code and show it detects a missing parameter. So for this one, I'm going to show you how I have done it. So we're going to see the code, and there is a section in my code. So if I type move without a number, the program tells me that the parameter is missing. So I created a custom method. This is the method that checks whether the expected parameter is present. If not, it throws an exception and displays an error. So even I have added that the parameter should be positive. I don't allow any negative parameters. Instead of that, you can use reverse. So we're gonna try move without parameter. So move without parameter, enter. So it says missing parameter. So we're gonna try it again because we had a smaller row. So it says missing parameter. So as you can see, it shows the error message successfully. So I have done that as well. So yes. And the next one is detect non-numeric parameters. I'm gonna try move x with a non-numeric parameter. It should report the missing parameter to the user, showing you code and showing you code how it handles this. So I'm gonna show you first how I have written down this one. So I'm gonna try and type move xxx, that is not a numeric parameter. This is the code for it. Catch exception. So anything out of range, it will give you an error. So here it is. And even in here, integer value. So it is the same method as above. So here's the code for it. The method throws a number format exception, which is caught and turned into a user-friendly error message. So I'm gonna try and listen to the. So it says type move xxx. So move xxx and click on OK. Error for input string. This one is not accepted. It's not a parameter. The program says, "What you doing?" And that's the proof of that it works as well. So yes. So in this part, it says bounds parameters. For example, you could show that you can't move the turtle off the screen. Show you can pass negative number or a large number. Showing you code and show you program reporting this to the user. So in my code, I have done this through here, as you can see now. So in here, it says this is the method parse positive integer, which I use for commands like move, reverse, left, and right. This one checks for three things: the commands, should not be uh, negative, and they should be positive. There should not be any missing parameter. They should be with parameter 100%, as you can see. And the last one is the scale problem. The value or the distance should not be more than 1000. So, and it's checked for excessively large numbers. If you type move 5000, for example, or something too big, it stops the turtle from flying off screen and says, and it will show an error message. So distance too large. So maximum is 1000. So here it is. So we're gonna prove that. Let me clear the screen. Yes. So now we're gonna say move minus 50 degrees. So it says parameter must be positive. It may. So, and after this, if I type something really ridiculous like move 9999 and enter, it says distance too large, max is 1000. So, and as you can see, that's working as well. So yes, and this was the end of requirement 3, and we're gonna start requirement 4. In requirement 4, so in this section I will show you how my program allows user to save and load, so, and many other things. So first one is I'm gonna save image. So save command works to save an image, draw something with the command, show in your code, draw something and save it, open up the image in a paint package. So I'm gonna do that. First I'm gonna show you the code. So my code is here. So this is my code for you. So I'm gonna show you the save image. So as you can see, a file dialog opens and lets me save the image as PNG. So I have used gfile chooser, and the function is gfile. So as you can see, if it saves the image, it says image saved successfully, or otherwise it says error saving image, and it does not save. So the file will be saved as PNG. So we're gonna do that now and save an image. So first I'm gonna write down, for example, I'm gonna draw, let's check pen down. So move 100, it's moving 100, right 90 degree, and after that move 100. So I'm gonna save this one. So I'm gonna save it. So yeah, I'm using command save image. So I'm gonna save this file as this photo, as test. So the file name. So save it. So image saved successfully. It was in the documents. So test. As you can see, it's here. So I've done it perfectly. So yes. So for the next one, for this one, load command works. Clear the screen, then open up your image on the turtle display, show in new code, draw something and save it, clear the screen, and then open up your image on the turtle display. So we're gonna try, I'm gonna show you load command. So this is load image. So private void load image. So again, I use gfile to select the file, gfile. So image io.read file, reads the PNG into a buffered image. So, it takes the actual image and makes it like the lines that turtle have drawn, and set buffered image img replaces the turtle's current canvas with the image. A successful image is shown in the command field. So if it's successful, otherwise it's not successful, it's gonna give you some errors. So in this one, I'm gonna follow the form. So I'm gonna show you how I will have done it. So it says clear the screen. So cleared. I'm gonna clear it. Yes. So to that, open up your image on the turtle display. So I'm gonna say load image, enter, test, open. So it opens. Draw something and save it. And I'm gonna draw something again. Move 100 again. Now become now left 90°, move 90. So I'm gonna save it again, save image, and test. I'm gonna put the file save. So image saved successfully. Clear. So again, yes, and load image, enter, test, open. Yeah, that's it. So it works. So yes, in this one, we're gonna type save commands that we used previously, and it's gonna save them in a text file, showing code, throw something as save the commands, show the commands in the text editor. So I've used some commands. I'm gonna show you the code. So this is the save command code here. So command history is an array list where I store every command the user types. Yeah. So it is, I have used arrays. So files.write, it writes the list into a text file. So yeah. And each line in the file is one command. You have to know that. So this is helpful for debugging or replaying later. So I'm gonna write it down. If this error, so I'm gonna try it. I will first use this one. So move 100, left 90°, move 100, and then save command. So commands are saved in a txt file, as you can see. So here these are the commands I've used. So yes, so I have used it, it's working. Now we're gonna go to this section. It says load the text file of commands and executes them. Use the command saved in the previous section. From your code, draw something that saves the commands. Clear the image from the saved commands. Show image is related from the commands. So first, I'm gonna load the txt file. Okay, so I'm gonna load commands. So before that, I'm gonna show you how I've done it. So load commands is working using a list. So it uses files that are written online, so it's gonna read them all line by line. For the string cmd commands and process command. So if there's an error, it's gonna show this error message. I'm gonna show you. So load commands enter. Do you have a clear? Yes, clear it. Yes. So as you can see, it loads all the commands one by one that they are in the txt file. So even it's gonna do the save commands as well. So load commands, as you can see now, everything it's following this one line by line without any problem. So after that, so it executes them. Use the command saved in the previous section. Yeah, it uses show in your code. Draw something. I've done that. So clear the image. So I'm gonna clear the image and do that again. So I cleared the image. Yes, so it's clear now. And the command should be either in a text file or in the console. So my commands are in the text file. I haven't used Java text area or J text area, so this is the other command. Posted through the text, so I use a text file commands.txt. Here you go. So that's all the commands I have used. So yes, I have done this one, and a warning is displayed somewhere if the current image is not saved and the display is not affected until these answers show in your code or something, and then try and clear the folder. So I'm gonna move 100, sorry, and down, move 100, yeah, so I'm gonna clear it. It shows this warning pop-up message, and I can say yes, it's gonna do it. So reset as well. So now this is the one that I have added the error message for clear one. So I have used confirm clear. So config clear, yeah, so this is it. So I've used GeoChampaign to display a yes or no confirmation box. Indeed, if the user clicks no, I cancel to clear by throwing an exception. So if they click yes, the canvas is cleared and is changed, to reset. So you saw that how I have done it. So and this is the code. So and it has been successful. So yes. Now after this, I'm gonna show you if the comment is not saved and the display is not tell the user. So a warning is displayed using a yeah, I have used graphic user interface. The column is not saved and the display is not affected. So the display is not affected, as you can see. So I'm gonna do it again. So the GUI is the G option one. So let's see how it's working. So I'm gonna try 100, sorry, pen down, move 100. I'm gonna type clear. So I'm gonna click on no, clear consult, as you can see, clear again, yes. So it cleans everything. So as you could see that everything is working perfectly without any error. Yes. So we're gonna start requirement 5, inheritance. So as I mentioned even earlier, I have so for requirement 5 inheritance, override the about method so that it still does the same dance, but appends a message that contains your name, showing your code, show the new about method working. So as you can see, I've done that. So I've used this one, Turtlegraphic by Faryad, even Turtlegraphics Faryad. So I'm gonna do it now. Again, about, enter, OOP, yeah. So you can see that I've demonstrated that it's working as well. So put on yes. So it does work as well. And by now, and there is no problem in that. So we're gonna go to in implemented a square length command. Turtle should wander around it. And this one return to the original position, show it working, showing your code, how you did this. So for square, it's kind of easy. So case square, draw square. So this draws a squares and returns the turtle to its starting position by moving forward and turning 90 degrees 4 times. So we're gonna do square 100. Square. You're gonna do the length, for example, 100. So it's square 100, as you can see in the image. So yes. Next one. It says append red, green, blue command that takes 3 parameters, one for red, one for green, and one for blue to make an RGB color. Set to full error checking, but it's enough to report only that the parameters are invalid, not necessarily which parameter. Show a new code, show the new pen command working, create 3 different colors. So this is the code pen. I'm gonna show you pen. It's here. So face pen color. So for R is this one, GB. So set pen color, new color, RGB, display, it's gonna display a message. So the message is, for example, the pen color set to RGB, and if there's an error, it says the RGB values are invalid, so use the numbers. else display message. There's an, this, if you use it on, if you use this command incorrectly or not in a correct way, it says use it like this, pen RGB. So if you use this one with invalid numbers and more than 255, it's gonna give you this error display message. So I'm gonna try it. So for this one, just check here. So I'm gonna clear it, yes, and RGB. So 25512. Sorry, I have to use it as pen color. So pen 2551100. Okay, so now I'm gonna so it says pen color set to RGB 255. Let me see what they ask. So I have added the parameters. It check for the invalid things. So I'm gonna create different colors. So this one, move 100. Moves, so you can see there. So pen 100, 255, 200. So now left 90, move 100. Yeah, different colors as you can see. So pen 2, I'm gonna put an error. So with error. So 1, 2, 5, 6. It says invalid RGB value. Use numbers between 0 to 55. So as you can see that it works perfectly. And if I use, for example, not the correct one, so pen X255Y, the numbers should be between this, the arrow sets. So if I say pen 2, 3, using different things, it says uses RGB for the red, for the green, so you have to use it in a correct way. Yes, so it is working as well. So I'm gonna put yes for this one, a pen white command. So this one, it says you have to change the pen white for alpha drawing or preparation or showing your code. So in my code, pen white is here. So pen white, it's in under process command. It's gonna be positive. So you're gonna make the pen bigger size. So I'm gonna use this command, pen white th, for example, 2. Now move 100 is different. So pen y 5 and move 150. You can see the pen white has been checked, so it works. As you could see, the pen white command was working, so yes. Next one is triangle. So this is the triangle one. This is the code of triangle. So first I'm gonna draw a triangle. So what is the okay? This is a triangle. Sorry, so I'm gonna clear it. Yes, triangle. So triangle 100. Sorry. Down and triangle 100. So it uses. So this is equal triangle. So equalital. So what? The next one. I'm gonna clear this. Yes. So this one is a triangle source triangle. So it's equilateral triangle. Show your code. You don't have. So I've done this. Yes. So it's working. But the next one, we have to give 3 sides. So I'm gonna give 3 sides to the triangle, and to see the triangle works. So I'm gonna show you the code for the triangle. So these are the codes for the triangle. I can give 3 positive integers to draw a triangle. So in this one, it allows me to draw any triangle with custom sides. So triangle with, I'm gonna give you 3 degrees, 100, 120, and 150 and 120. So okay, yes, as you can see, I'm gonna give, for example, triangle 40, 90, 50. Okay, so as you can see, so it gives a rough virtual of a triangle, but for the assessments required. So yes, it's working. Things that are not a specific requirement on the marking scheme. Anything else to add? So uh, for this one, I have added some extra things like pen down message, pen down message, and pen up message as well. So I've added these extra things to my app, and pen colors, error handling, and many other things like error handling, some error handling. So some of them that I have added them as extra for my paragraph, and that's it. That's the end of my demo. Thank you for everything and have a nice